All right, today we're taking a deep dive into a really special educational YouTube channel. It's got one powerful mission: to help students like you absolutely nail their academics. We're going to look at what makes it tick, from the subjects it teaches to the huge vision that's driving the whole thing. I mean, who hasn't felt this? That stress starts to build, the deadlines are getting closer, and there's just so much pressure to do well. It can feel like a lot, right? But what if there was a resource out there specifically designed to take some of that weight off your shoulders? Well, this is the promise, right at the heart of the channel we're looking at. This line is actually from a song about their work, and it's a pretty bold claim. Just by watching their videos, you can swap that exam stress for top-tier grades. So, the channel behind this awesome message is called Taleem. It's all built around one educator's mission to make learning super accessible and, actually effective. To really get a sense of its impact, let's look at where it stands right now. First up, the channel has 127 videos. And that's not just a number. That is a solid library of lessons that students can tap into whenever they need it. It's a great way to build a strong foundation in some really important subjects. And it's not just videos. It's a real community that's growing, with just over 1,000 subscribers who are all in on this mission. But, and this is the really cool part, the vision for this channel is way, way bigger. And here is where you really see the scale of the ambition. Yeah, it's at 1,000 subscribers now, but the dream, the big goal they sing about in their anthem, is to hit 1 million. That tells you everything. This is a creator who wants to help as many students as they possibly can. So, what's actually in this educational toolkit? What are they teaching? Let's break down the subjects, and more importantly, how the channel makes these tough topics a whole lot easier to understand. The curriculum here is super focused and really practical. So for math, you've got explainers on the fundamentals, like number systems and LCM. For geometry, the lessons break down everything from the basics of points and lines to all the different types of triangles and angles. But it doesn't stop there. There are also dedicated playlists for Urdu grammar, and even a whole series on general science for 7th graders. It's a really well-rounded foundation. And this is absolutely key to the channel's whole strategy: accessibility. All of this amazing content is taught clearly in both Urdu and Hindi. That ensures that students can learn these complex ideas in the language they're most comfortable with, which makes a huge difference. But here's the thing. This channel's mission is about so much more than just covering a syllabus or helping kids pass a test. It's really built on this deeper idea of what success for a student actually looks like. This line from their song just says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly captures the channel's philosophy. Its identity, its name, is completely tied to the success of the students watching. The goal isn't just to teach a lesson, it's to actually empower the student. The channel also lays out the super clear, collaborative path for everyone. It starts simple: learn by watching the videos. Then it encourages students to be part of the mission themselves by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And that final step, that's all on the student, to take that knowledge and go achieve their own amazing goals. So, when you put it all together, what does this mean for a student who's out there looking for a little help? What's the real takeaway from Taleem? What you get is a genuine partner in your learning. This isn't just some random collection of videos. You get a whole library of lessons designed to break down tough subjects in a way that just clicks. It's all accessible in Urdu and Hindi. And, at the very heart of it all, you get support from an educator whose entire mission is defined by one single thing: your success. And that really leaves us with one final thing to think about. In today's world, where there's just an ocean of educational content online, what's the true value, the unique power of a single, passionate teacher on a mission to help students succeed one video at a time?